Hi guys, and welcome back to a new episode of Gagliardi Photography Tips and Tricks. Today we'll see how to get a white background on Photoshop. And this is a very simple trick, so let's begin. This is a picture of a plant on a clear background but not white. We'll see that the background is gray, white, there are spots, lines. So we want to get rid of these objects. The trick is this. We go to Image, Adjustments, and Replace Color. Okay, now we get this new screen. First we have to select the part of the image that we want to whiten. So let's click here. Then, with this tool, we click on this plus button and we begin to click here on the other parts of the image that we want to get white. Okay, now we go here to lightness and we take this value to the maximum, 100. And that's it. Okay, now we have a screen that is almost white. We have some lines here to get rid of. So we can select the Spot Healing Brush tool. The size of the brush. Okay, a little bit more. And then it's very easy to select these lines and delete them. Okay, now we have a completely white background and we have our plant on the foreground. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this simple trick to get a white background on Photoshop, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Bye bye!